In this video, we are going on a tour of the Osun Osogbo Groove, which is a sacred grove in Osun State, Nigeria. It is a meeting point for all Osun devotees once every year for the Osun Osogbo Festival.
Yeah, Osogbo.
You can tell me.
Sorry, banana. We have different sections. We have different drummers. Ogunlele, Onibata, Opele. This is the famous school.
Okay.
That's the famous Opele.
So this place used to be a sacred forest.
It's a tourist. It's a sacred forest.
Yes.
And the hunter, there was an hunter that came to dictate the grove. His name is Oguntime. Due to the scarcity of water that they have, he now hunts into the forest. He discovered a river.
The river.
He was so happy that he met a river, enough land, enough water for them to use. As they were doing some clearing, the branches of freelance fell into the river. They now had the voice mentioning their name. Wizards of the forest, that is Osogbo. That's why they bring the name Osogbo out. The goddess now instructed them that spirits, where they build their palace, they can't stay there. They have to vacate the place and move to the second palace. The second palace is over there. That's where the elders are using. It's not open for the public. Here the king is presently. That's where they carry what they use to appease the river goddess. We have the Virgin Girl have our own road separately. When we get to the Ezra Street, I'll show you the Ezra Street. We have different sculptures, we have different animals, masquerades that is existing up till date. Where Owolanke, Obatala drums, the crown. There's no Yoruba land that we see a crown, Adeoba, all our forefathers, the town crier, Ego Labuata, and then Ogbongi, Eyefodo, the Yoshun, the river goddess, Ego Meta, Awurosu, the Sisi worship lamp. It was the first settler that collected the lamp from the spirit. Now instructed them not to off the light. They must be on. They must be lighting it. The next is the date. 9 days to the festival. They will light it. The king will dance around it. Anybody that wishes will dance around it. It's coming up on the 1st of August.
Yes.
Why the festival is coming up on the 9th of August. Just because of the monkey that you are holding.
The banana.
Because they are territorial. You know
Yes.
there are some that they will not follow you. They are territorial.
Yes.
So when you get to that, you go back. So you see another one. So there's the exit foot. That's the restroom.
Okay.
That's the restroom. Nigeria came to. She wanted to carry the spirit. And the Olosha.
Susan Wenger.
Susan Wenger, yes. She died about 15 years ago at the age of 94. I think he told you about. That's a Sholomo, your God of fertility. For the barons that are looking for the fruit of the womb.
They come here to pray.
They come here to pray. Shall you say?
Mm-hmm.
God of justice. This is where the virgin girl will come out from.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. So this is very close into the first palace.
Okay.
That's where you see the virgin girl.
I take off my sandals.
No, don't worry.
Okay.
You requested for a guy food, everything. You just put money in their calabash.
Okay.
This is their own church. They are the one taking care of the
environment.
So they are here to pray. It's just like our church.
Yes.
Our mosque. Nobody has to stay there. Really?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's another topic on the GMO. When people look for me, maybe they want to separate them with their
partner.
Yes, with their partner. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
How can I say you? It's great for you.
I mean,
That's God of power. What's our person? Yes, ma'am. This is the first palace in the show. Then, that's the pavilion.
that's for town hall meeting.
Yes, for the I think I shall close the river.
Yes.
To the, that is right. So let me know. Since I see the sculptures over there, welcoming you that the goddess doesn't discriminate.
Yeah.
This is the river where you see thousands of people coming to pray, to ask for what they want and what they doesn't want.
When was the last time this river was clean? When was the last time it was clean?
It was going to 5-6 years ago. You know the miner.
Yes, the miners.
No, the one that polluted the river. They polluted the water. Are we good?
Yes. Good.
You want to feed the monkeys?
I want to feed them.
Yeah, no.
Yes, give me the recipe.
That's what you're saying. No, that's easy. That's the truth.
Okay.
So these are another steps to tell you go far. That's where the others normally come to initiate their member. If they want to enter through their back.
Through their back.
And the seats hierarchically. I think I see the sculpture. Doesn't represent telling you whether you're a Christian, a Muslim, a traditionalist. You have only one. This is the vulture that eats the sacrifice. Eats
the place.
The fruits. Commissioned in 1936. So if you like, you just work on it and come back. You like to work on it?
Yeah, they say someone.
No, you're a man.
Oh, okay.
I can wait.
Yeah.
That's the exit route.
Yes.
For the Virgin. For the festival.
Okay. And the exit through here. Yeah. So this is the exit. The enter through here. And exit through.
The people there, they will just take money, no prayer, nothing. You still want to record?
No, I'm following your guidance.
No, say you still want to record.
No, I'm okay.
You're okay?
Yes.
I can't.
Okay, this is where we're coming.
Yeah,
they will enter through this. Oh, yes. So we're going back. Come this way.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. I'm just getting to see the. I thought it was like a totally different place, but now when I saw the issue, then I was able to now pick it back.